Hey guys, welcome back to our new channel, BONOSS Wheel Fitment. Today I installed this BONOSS shell type wheel bolt kit for this Mercedes Benz C200. And this one is a short shell, honeycomb design. And this one is a high shell. Let's go. First, we need to use the torque wrench to tighten the wheel bolt. Install one BONOSS wheel bolt. Each set of BONOSS grade 12.9 shell type wheel bolt kit has 4 pieces locking wheel bolts and a lock key. Compared with ordinary locking wheel bolts, BONOSS uses a special spline lock design, matching the lock key to ensure unique of the product. By installing this wheel bolt kit can protect your value wheels from theft. Now we need to use the torque wrench to tighten the bolt with 140 Nm. Now we install the shell and with 90 mm socket. The shell part is made of high-strength aluminum alloy 6061T6 material, with better material and different colors to bring a more satisfactory overall appearance. The last step. Then use a torque wrench to tighten this shell with only 5 Nm to 10 Nm. Now we finished. If you want to get this BONOSS shell type wheel bolt kit, please see the link down on the description. See you next time. Bye bye.